Welcome back to Green Bee Explorer. Today we are collecting marigold seeds. Right now we have yellow marigolds and orange marigolds. I actually love these from spring, summer to autumn because they're fantastic. They roll right into each season. They're bright and they are very fragrant, which keeps the animals away that you don't want. Critters for the most part, squirrels and chipmunks. So they're actually pretty easy to collect the seeds. What you want to do is look for a brown head and you can pull the head off. If it's a little stiff, it means that it still has a little bit of life to it. But here's one, oh, that one fell right off. Took no effort. So when they still have a little bit of give to them, I tend to leave them alone. I'll come back later. But that one fell right off. Really easy. Fell right off. I like to organize them from yellow and my orange ones in different containers. And then later on I'll show you how to break down the seeds individually. So let's see how many we can collect. Then we're going to keep pulling these off. Oh, fell right off. Still a little stiff. Right off. And there are dozens upon dozens. Oh, I pulled off an orange one. Oh, well, now I mixed some orange ones in there. You guys were probably yelling at me from the very beginning, don't grab that one. And I can probably tell, actually there's my orange one. So I can put that one aside. You can tell, because I had a little bit of the orange left on it. But the other one, I cannot tell. It's gone. The yellow has a little bit of yellow left in it. But yeah, now I made that mistake. Don't go too fast or you'll mix them up like I just did. So we might have a little mix in there when we go to plant them again. But that's okay. It'll all look pretty in the end. I am back inside and we have our marigold seeds. So now, just to show you, you just wiggle them a little bit. I'm trying to show you this one-handed, and I just pushed them off and you'll see just dozens and dozens of them just fall out. Each individual one, each one of these is one seed. So you can see just one deadheading produces a lot of seeds. And I'll save these for next year until I plant them directly into the ground. What you see here is a result of just opening 5 of the flowers. You can see there's a good amount. I would guess maybe 100, over 100 in here, but that's just from 5 of them. This is the bottom of the flower. This is the top where the petals were holding on, and these are ones that haven't been open yet. So to give you a better example, I have this backwards here. So the left hand side is the petals, the right hand side is the bottom of the flower, and everything inside is what results right here. The next seeds we're going to collect are snapdragon seeds. You can see them starting on the left hand side. They're a slight pink, purple, and they're every other in the garden here. There's a big bushy one right here. And then here's another one. They only have a few flowers left, and that's a good time to start collecting the seeds. So I'll show you how to do that. So now I'm going to show you how to collect the snapdragon seeds. I have a clear cup here, and all I have to do is just tip over and you'll see seeds come out. I'll give you a close-up right here. You can see all these little black dots. They're all seeds. There's probably 100 some in there already. But all I did was take this little bunch. See these tiny little holes? That tells you that it's ready to have the seeds removed. I'm still tapping it. I got a few more. The other thing you could do is actually wait a little longer and the head will actually let you twist itself off, which this one, it still has a little bit of give to it. It's not letting me take it off. So that's why I just tipped it over and let it fall itself. The plant will die at this point, and those seeds will fall right in the area that it's already planted, but I like to collect them and spread them throughout the garden again. I got a few more there. I'm gonna go over here, get a few more here. Let's see, let's find another good one. This might be possible. See that? That's a lot smaller. I don't think I'll get much. Nope, that wasn't offering any. So you can keep going to each one of your plants and doing this. And then you can come around again. Once this whole head dies, you can come back once more and collect more seeds for the ones that it was not letting go. This might be a good one right here. Yeah, that gave me some as well. So 2 strategies, either collect them as they start to open or at the end of the season when everything is dead. So again, you can see how many I've collected here, quite a few, 100 some. The next set of seeds we're going to collect are from the coneflower. The coneflower, you know it's ready. All the petals are gone, and all you have to do is take a little pinch, and these are your seeds right here. And pinch by pinch, you take a little more. I'll show you this way, get a better view. Pinch. Now, one thing you can do is birds love these in the fall. It's kind of one of their last resources of food. So I personally try and leave them, and the birds spread them out themselves along my garden. But if you want to put them in a specific spot, here's your chance to collect some seeds. If they don't pull off easy, they're not quite ready. Those did, but a few didn't. Here's another one. I had a few seeds pop off, but some are still holding on. So I'll leave about half of these for the birds, and I'll take half for myself. And you can see how many we've collected there. The next plant I'm going to show you is Diathis. Those seeds are pretty easy to collect as well. I've already collected a few, but what I did was I took the head where you see the dry brown, and you just tap it upside down. You saw a few more popped in my hand. Some of our neighbors are playing in the background, having fun. So it looks like we don't have any more, but these ones you have to be quick about, because once they dry out here, the next day they're gone. And you can see that from most of them here. So definitely stay on top if you do want to collect these. Let's see if I can get lucky with this one. I'm pinching it, trying to loosen if there is any. Oh, I got a few out of there. One. And that's about it. Oh, I accidentally broke this off too soon. Hopefully they'll dry out. I'm just going to plop that in the garden. But I got, ooh, I'm getting some more. There we go. So I did get lucky with that one. Got a few more. And all of these seeds that we're showing you, you can drop them right back in your garden, and you'll get more flowers and plants the next year. If you want to save your seeds for next year, take a little bunch, put them in a strainer, turn your water on, and put it on cold. And I like to use my high pressure, and I just shake them out. Shake. And then the seeds start falling off and separating. This way they're washed. So there's still a few left, but I'll show you. You rinse the water out. Then you take in you take the seeds, take them on a paper towel or a towel itself, wipe them off, then put them on a completely dry paper towel, let them dry, and then you can put them away for storage later until you're ready to plant them. Here's our seeds 12 hours later. You can see they're pretty dry. Just pick some up and move them to our storage container. Pretty easy.